Welcome back, health enthusiasts, to the Nourishment Hut, your ultimate destination for health and wellness content. We're thrilled to see you back, ready to delve into another journey of nutritional discovery. But before we start, we kindly urge you to take a moment and read our medical disclaimer in the description section below. It's important to remember that while we strive to bring you accurate information, everyone's health journey is unique. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet or lifestyle. Once you've reviewed the disclaimer, we're all set to begin. Today, we're going to explore the power of a tiny but mighty seed that has taken the health world by storm. Can you guess what it is? Let's jump right into the video. Ever wondered about those tiny, unassuming seeds that pack a powerful nutritional punch? Yes, we're talking about chia seeds. These diminutive dynamos hail originally from Mexico, where they were a staple in the diets of ancient Mayans and Aztecs. The word chia itself means strength in Mayan language, a testament to the energy boost these seeds provided. Fast forward to the 21st century, and chia seeds have exploded in popularity, claiming their rightful place in the pantheon of superfoods. Let's delve into the robust nutritional profile of these seeds. Chia seeds are a rich source of dietary fiber, helping to keep our digestive systems in top shape. They offer a significant amount of protein, a critical component of our diet. Plus, they're brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart-healthy benefits. So, it's clear that chia seeds are more than just a health fad. They're a nutritional powerhouse. Now, let's delve into the myriad health benefits of these amazing seeds. Chia seeds, though minuscule in size, pack a mighty punch of nutrients. One of the most notable benefits is their role in promoting digestive health. These tiny seeds are a rich source of dietary fiber which aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Regular consumption can help prevent constipation and maintain regular bowel movements. Turning to the heart, these humble seeds are a friend indeed. They are high in omega-3 fatty acids, known for supporting heart health by reducing inflammation and lowering cholesterol levels. So for those concerned with heart health, chia seeds are an excellent addition to your meals. What's more, they are a great ally in weight management. High in protein and fiber, chia seeds can help you feel full for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. They're a smart choice for those looking to shed some pounds or maintain a healthy weight. For our vegetarian and vegan friends, rejoice. Chia seeds are a plant-based source of protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. They're a fantastic way to ensure you're getting enough protein, even on a plant-based diet. Last but not least, chia seeds are a great energy booster. They're loaded with antioxidants and a good amount of iron and vitamin B3, all of which contribute to maintaining high energy levels throughout the day. Incorporating chia seeds into your meals and snacks is incredibly easy. They can be sprinkled on salads, mixed into smoothies, or used as a thickening agent in soups and sauces. With such a wide range of benefits, it's no wonder chia seeds have become a staple in many health-conscious diets. To sum up, chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse filled with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. They are a versatile addition to your diet and can be used in a variety of recipes. The health benefits range from aiding digestion, supporting heart health, to keeping your bones strong. So next time you see these tiny seeds, remember, they carry a big punch for your health. Give chia seeds a try and experience their benefits for yourself. Thank you for joining us today at the Nourishment Hut. Please subscribe to our channel, like our video, and share with family and friends. Have a cheerful day.